So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I want you to subscribe, to like and share. Now let's quickly do a quick analysis on our BTC USD for this week. Now we are going to start. As we can see, at least for almost a week now, we can see that our price has actually been falling. You can see this was on the daily time frame. We would analyze it straight, but let's start from our weekly time frame. As you can see, for the week, we see our past week, our price pushes up, it went bullish, but it fell down. You can see our candlestick. As we can see, for weeks now, our price has actually been falling. It has actually been falling, but there's one thing that I'm noticing, that our price is about to push up. It is failing to break below it and continue to go downward. Now we can see it now, because this place is around a major key area here. We can see price has hit here and gone up. You can also see that price has hit here and is about to push up. It has hit this our 28, about this 28. But so this week, let's see if our price will actually still be ranging. We are going to be ranging with our daily time frame. We would want to be trading what we see and not what we think. That's exactly what we want to be doing. So definitely we are going to start. We are going to mark this on our daily time frame. We are going to take here as our support. Now we are going to also take here as our resistance. Definitely we would want to be ranging with our price, because there's no proof that our price will just start pushing up now. There's no proof yet. Right now it is still ranging, so definitely we would want to be ranging on it. So first of all, we are going to take our sell position straight to this our week here, with this our rejection here, where we can find our liquidity area here. We can see this our liquidity area where our price pushes up. That was around 26,000. Currently we are at 28,000. Let us at least see if our price will push down to 26,000. Then we can actually now take our buy position, where probably when we hit our 26,000, we go bearish, hit our 26,000, then we can actually now take our buy. If possibly we're going to have it all this week, they will take our buy to our 81,000. So definitely we are still ranging. We are still on a range between 26,000 to 31,000. So let's go short. Then we'll actually now take our buy position. So now on our 4-hour time frame, as you can see, our price is actually still breaking down. We are still on a downward trend. You can see our this one, it has already opened bearish. So definitely our BTC USD is still actually bearish, about to, it's still ranging. We will say it is still ranging between our 26,000, 27,000 to our 31,000. That is exactly what our BTC is still ranging, and we should be trending within this range. Now on our 1-hour time frame, so before I would say you should take your buy, probably when our price has gotten to 29,000, then our to 29 or 30,000. When our price has gotten to 29,000, then you can actually not take your buy till 30 or 31,000. At least that would be a good opportunity to actually take our trade on our BTC USDT. So that is my analysis for the week. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this to my channel, like and share. Thank you very much.